Hi everybody, welcome to AutoTecPro. Today I'm going to show you our newest version of the infotainment system for Toyota Highlander. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the features that come with the system as well. Let's start from the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest version of the chipset, octa-core chipset, and it also supports the 4G LTE. That means you can also insert the SIM card and you can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot. It's very convenient and user-friendly. Of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always share the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone, and then you can also pair with the unit to access the internet. You can also install any different kind of application into the system as well. I will talk about this one later, like the Netflix, Prime Video, and Spotify, YouTube. This system is fully compatible with the 360-degree camera and reverse camera as well. If your car comes with JBL, this system also fully compatible with the JBL sound system as well. And other than that, it's also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. You can also use the steering wheel to pick up the phone call, control the volume, select the songs. And this car can also equipped with the 360-degree camera. I'm gonna show you. On the left side of the dashboard, it comes with this button, View. And then when you click on the View button, we automatically change to 360-degree camera. It's very nice. All right, and other than that, of course, you also support the backup camera as well. This is the backup camera. You can also change this one, change to different view. And the guideline, you can also change anything. It's fully compatible with everything. You can also make the reverse camera image to full screen. Let's try the radio first. You can also change the sound quality from the equalizer. You can go to here, go to DSP. Yeah, the system also comes with DSP as well. You can also change any different kind of setting based on your personal preference. For example, the equalizer, and you can also change the balance here. You can also change the smart sound feature here, and the sound delay. It's very professional. Let me turn on the AC. It's a little bit hot here. First of all, in order to fully use the system, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi if you want to watch the Netflix or YouTube. And of course, the system also comes with offline navigation as well. So that means you don't need to connect to any data in order to use the GPS. I will show you after. In order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you just need to pull down the menu from the top and then hold the Wi-Fi icon here. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot and pair with the unit, you can download any different kind of application. And of course, you can also watch the video. The system also comes with the video in motion, of course, like this. The system is very smooth, as you can see. It's very fast. You can also watch the video right here. And other than that, you can also watch the Netflix. If you have the Netflix account, you can also log into the Netflix and enjoy the video as well. You can also use the Spotify. You can download the Waves. You can download the XM radio. This is the XM radio right here. The screen resolution actually is gorgeous. Compared to the new version, the pixel density of the new one is much higher. And other than that, I'm gonna show you how to use the GPS. This is the newest version of the Google Map. It also comes with the off-night feature. How to use the off-night feature of the Google Map? Basically, just click on the icon right here, select off-night map, and then you can select your own map. You can download the map data to the unit. Once you download to the unit, you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi next time when you use the Google Map. You can use the Google Maps just like the normal navigation. I'm gonna show you here. It's very nice. And of course, this system also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. I will show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay. But before we go ahead, I'm gonna show you a little bit on the setting menu right here. This one will allow you to change the sound quality, just like the DSP. Other than that, the video is right here. You can also, if you're concerned about the safety, you can always disable the video emotion. You can also turn off the reverse guideline, air conditioning. You can also turn on the air conditioning right here. And other than that, you can also change the boot up logo. Navigation, you can also assign the default navigation software. For example, if I don't want to use the Google Map, you can use the iGo, offline navigation, or maybe the Waze. It's fully customized. And you can also change the account, the Google account right here. Other than that, that's not much you need to set up because we will set up everything for you. I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. Wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning. But once you get paired with the unit, you will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. This system also supports the newest iOS 18. Just like this cell phone. This cell phone has already been updated to newest iOS 18. In order to pair with the unit, first of all, you need to turn on the Bluetooth of the cell phone, search the BT6344, this device name, pair, allow. The system will automatically switch to the wireless Apple CarPlay interface, and then on the cell phone, remember to grant the authorization. Click connect. For the first time, you might take a little bit longer to pair, but every time when you get into the car, you don't need to pair with the cell phone again because the system will automatically pair with the cell phone by Apple CarPlay. As you can see, this is the newest version of the Apple CarPlay iOS 18. The Apple CarPlay will provide you with the feature of the phone call, music, navigation, and also the text-to-speech feature as well, okay? It also comes with two interfaces. One is the split screen feature, and the other one is the classic view. The classic view will show you all the icons on the menu. Of course, you can also change the wallpaper. Click on setting, click on wallpaper, and then you can change different kind of wallpaper right here. This system also supports the voice control. In order to use the voice control, you just need to basically hold the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station.
One possibility I see is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over 1 kilometer to your east, and it gets 4.
Or you can, what's the temperature today?
The high today will be 23 degrees Celsius, and the low will be 16 degrees Celsius.
It's very nice. It also show you this menu on top of the screen. And if you want to go back to the main menu, just click on exit and it will bring you back to the main menu right here. You can also change the color of the film right here. You can also change to green, red, blue, anything you want, okay? It's just very nice. You can also customize the RGB. I prefer this one. In order to change the backlight color, you just need to go to here, go to setting, go to car infotainment, and then go to display key light color is right here. You can also change the color to any different set. Okay, just like this one, or maybe you can change the red color. As you can see, change the red, or maybe you can change the purple. You can also change the yellow. The original one is light blue, so I will leave it at the color of light blue. You can also change the brightness right here. This is also come with multiple interface. As you can see, you can select multiple interface on the setting menu right here. It's highly customized. Okay, so you can also customize the interface based on your personal preference. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us at AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.